Guru Maharaj?
Yes.
I have might be a mental question if you like.
Huh?
You were saying that only those that are completely pure and free from all anarthas, only
Yes.
they can chant the holy name.
Yes.
So, a person like myself, completely full of anarthas in the senses.
That's Narottam Das Thakur said. I am such fellow. Then sang, I'm not most impure. Then sang, therefore I face so many impediments, so many obstacles in your bhajan. Please. This is my great fear. I cannot chant, cannot do bhajan. But you are so merciful. Then I take shelter at your lotus feet. No other shelter is there. Please eradicate all these problems, these impediments, obstacles from my path of bhajan. Then I can chant your holy name and become happy, joyful, blissful. That's
So Guru Maharaj, the only problem with ourselves is that all of these statements that I am the most fallen, such and such from like Narottam Das Thakur, yet we all understand that Narottam Thakur is a great pure Vaishnava.
yes.
But he's praying like that, whereas for us, we actually really are completely
He's praying for
fallen.
us. Feeling one with us. He prays. You should understand. So the fool can't understand this thing. Their heart bleeds for us. Isn't it? So sādhus, Mahajans, their heart bleeds for us. Singers, suffering. So they pray for us. This is prayer you have got.
So by their mercy, we're able to actually achieve that success.
Yes. Sadhu's mercy, Vaishnava's mercy, guru-kṛpā. Without that mercy, how can we offer such prayer? No possibility. Not at all. Their mercy. I am mukha. I am dumb. I cannot offer one word. How can I offer these things? Sri Guru Karuna. Without the Karuna, mercy of Sri Guru, I cannot offer such. Guru, Sadhu, Vaishnavas, mercy. They are teaching us, they are taking care of us. So much. Very really easy to train. You understand? Protectors, maintainers, feel without protection,
Hopeless.
hopeless. They are there.
So Guru Maharaj, until we actually feel helpless,
Yes.
then Krishna won't give
We are
his...
really hopeless. Why don't you feel so? So callous why you are. You are really hopeless, isn't it?
That's a fact.
Isn't it? Yes, we are really hopeless. Really. Why don't you feel so? Why don't you cry?
Heart of stone.
Hard stone.
Heart of stone.
It's never not melting. It's not melting. So hard stone.
Not even
Hard
with
block.
the heaviest fire, still it's not melting.
Hard block of stone. Not melting at all. Yes, may association of sadhu. Then that will be possible. And to say good again.
Yeah, I agree. Guru Maharaj, you were saying that Krishna, we should cry to Krishna, he's our only protector.
Yeah.
But then he broke his promise at the battlefield of Kuru, etc. How do we know he won't break his promise to us?
Well, he said
To Arjuna.
Arjuna.
Yeah.
Saranali Vijayi, one who takes shelter, he never fails, my devotee, never fails, I'll give protection. Promise through Arjuna, you cannot do.
There's another instance with Junior Haridas. He was just looking at a girl, and Lord Chaitanya kicked him away.
That's teaching for us.
But then he accepted Junior Haridas in
He
the
is
form
not,
of a Gandharva.
he is not deserted.
Ah.
He is not kicked. He is teaching for us. But Junior Haridas went to that abode of Mahaprabhu and sings there. And that song comes, oh, Junior Haridas singing. Devotees say. Then he is remembered.